So a little while ago, I asked you guys, what should I microwave? And these were your guys' best answers. We shall microwave eggs.
Dude, really?
Oh yeah, you can see him. Davis, what did you just say you would do?
I said I'm gonna eat that egg when it gets done for $20.
$20. He said he'd eat one of these when the 10 minutes is up because, I don't
As
know.
long as it's
He's stupid.
do it.
So you're still gonna eat that egg?
No.
So Davis, you still want that 20 bucks?
Oh. I don't think they'll explode like that.
Eggs, that was dope.
I didn't know the eggs would explode. It's not even turning. Oh, that one's coming out. Ugh.
I've been here all day, babe.
You watch.
The bananas just got like baked, but nothing cool happened. Stupid bananas. But next up, we're gonna be doing this watch. Rewind. Holy crap. Dude, that's like a fireworks show.
That's gonna blow up. You're getting back. You're too close.
Can you smell it? So, yeah, I'm giving away this watch. All you have to do is like and comment, and you're entered. So next, we're going to be microwaving a bunch of forks and spoons because why not?
Dude,
Holy crap.
that's 8 of them too.
Oh! Okay, maybe we can stop. Dude, it's like on fire in there. We need to quit putting so much time on it. Yeah, it's over 5 minutes.
You wanna go turn it off? Right now. Turn it off.
Am I gonna like get shocked if I had these?
No.
Alright, on to the next one. Alright, so we have a Minecraft Steve character with diamond ore. We're gonna wrap it in some tinfoil.
Nice wrapping.
We're gonna throw it in the microwave, and yeah. How long should I do? And I don't know.
It stinks.
Oh, dude, it does stink. Oh, the tinfoil's on fire. I'm not quite sure what I should do. Steve got a little bit of a burn mark, but besides that, Steve managed to survive. Stupid microwave. Okay, well, the next thing we're gonna microwave is a bunch of Christmas lights, so that'll be interesting. Ooh. Okay, Santa's coming early. Oh, do you see the steam coming out of it?
Steam?
Look above the microwave.
Oh yeah, dude.
It was not doing that before.
What's that from? Holy crap. It's coming out the sides. This thing's gonna explode.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I know.
How much time is left?
20 seconds.
Alright, let's pop this sucker open. Oh boy.
Wow.
What the frick? Alright boys, do not microwave Christmas lights. Holy crap. Oh. So, that microwave outlived its use. We got a new microwave. For this, oh, one moment. Oh, this light turns on? Oh, perfect. We should have been using this one all the Ooh, lovely. So nothing special really happened. They're just burnt to a crisp. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna microwave is my iPad.
Oh, while it's playing the video?
Yes, while it's playing the video.
Oh, snap. No.
No, I was watching that video. Rest in pepperoni's iPad. Rest in pepperoni's. Woo! All right. And yeah. All right, so the next thing you guys wanted me to microwave was Chris's sock. So that we shall. Okay, to be honest, it's really cold outside. Nothing happened. Now we're gonna microwave a bullet. Yeah, so next we're gonna microwave a bullet. Not quite sure what's gonna happen. I hope I don't die.
Microwaves.
This is the second microwave we broke. The bullet never went off, but the microwave broke, so we're just gonna move on. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna microwave is a microwave inside of a microwave. Okay, I don't know what I was doing. We're gonna be microwaving a microwave, put it on for 10 minutes. Holy crap, that's a nice microwave.
I know, right?
Hit start. Far, all this. Oh, it's starting to light on fire a little bit. So the microwave inside is catching on fire. As you can see, it smells horrible. Alright, so it's been microwaving like 25 minutes. I'm not thinking anything's gonna happen. So we'll just whoa, whew, whew. Yeah, that's what happens when you microwave a light on your face. Tell them something.
It's on my $20.
For eating the egg. Yeah.
I give Jimmy permission to blow up this truck if the video gets 100,000 likes.
He said if this video gets 100,000 likes, I can blow up that car. So you better hit the like button. There's actually bleach in here. This microwave's already fallen to crap. How long should I do it?
10 minutes.
No.
Wow. Tell me we're gonna do anything else to it. 2.
So apparently nothing happens when you microwave bleach. Literally nothing at all happened. So yeah, that was a little bit disappointing.